All right, we are at the 300-yard line today. Got a special treat for today. I was out mucking around because I've got a competition this coming weekend, and I was just out messing around with the Desert Precision gun. I know that this 300 series that I'm doing is all about that CZ, but I was just out today just to see what this thing could do. So let's watch 10 shots on target with this gun, and we're using today super long range Lapua ammo for the test. All right. Just take 2 barrel warmers. Wow, that variance right there was crazy. Take 3 barrel warmers. All right, in the ballpark. Let's start this show. Okay, 10 shots at 300 yards. We've got a light wind. Hopefully it stays light. No, wind right now. Hang on. Big wind. I'm going to do 10 shots real quick to hopefully get the same wind condition. Here we go. All right, there's 10. Let's see what we got here. We got ooh, that's good. 1103, 1109 is the average, 1103 is minimum, 1117 is the maximum. 4.6 standard deviation. Let's go hope that the target looks good. All right, here we are down at the target. It's a fantastic group. Look at the shots that are back to back. That's a similar wind condition, and then changing. I'll have to look at the replay on the shots and how they played out. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shots. And that is, I'm going to say 2. Let's do the math on the calculator. See what this is. But I knew it was going to be a good group. I know this is what it's capable of because there was dead calm this morning when I came out. Dead calm. There was nothing. And I shot that 5-round group at 300 with the Desert Precision rifle. I got so excited. I went out and got these set up so I could do one for the camera. But of course, this was early this morning. The winds were limp. There was nothing, and that's a 5-shot group. But anyways, back to this here. So you can see it's possible by these 2 series of these groups that this gun is capable of doing that at this distance. Wind is your downfall. The slightest fart and they're blowing around. Anyways, let's get the math on this. So just one thing I wanted to add, that don't get hung up on missing that 4-inch gong at 300 yards in the competitions that you guys do, because that just proves that that gun is at the top of its game, and you're still getting a 6-inch group in the best, or 5-inch group at the best of times. So whether or not you're centered on the 4-inch gong is another thing. So yeah, I'm going to say that the 4-inch gong at 300 is basically luck. It starts with a good gun and a good shooter, but nothing's guaranteed. I'm going to say if you hit that thing 40% of the time, you're doing really well. All right.